Have you heard about the innovation that could replace smartphones forever? This video will completely change how you think about the future of communication and technology. Today we explore the breakthrough that could make smartphones feel outdated sooner than expected. Watch until the end because the final prediction may surprise you. If you love future tech content, make sure you subscribe, like, and comment your thoughts. Let us step into the future beyond smartphones. 10. Why smartphones cannot last forever. Smartphones transformed the world over the last decade. They became the center of communication, entertainment, and work. But every dominant technology eventually reaches its limits. Screens demand constant attention and drain human focus daily. Battery life still restricts mobility and freedom. App overload creates digital clutter and distraction. Users are beginning to feel fatigue from constant screen time. The next innovation aims to remove these limitations completely. 9. The rise of wearable computing. Wearable technology is advancing faster than expected. Smart glasses and smart rings are becoming more powerful yearly. These devices provide information without requiring constant screen use. Users receive notifications through voice, audio, and subtle visuals. This creates a more natural interaction with digital systems. Hands-free access improves productivity and convenience. Wearables integrate technology directly into daily life. The transition away from handheld devices has already begun. 8. Augmented reality is the new interface. Augmented reality overlays digital information onto the real world. Instead of looking down at screens, users look at their surroundings. Directions, messages, and reminders appear naturally in view. This removes the need to switch between apps constantly. The real world becomes the main digital interface. Augmented reality creates a seamless blend of physical and digital life. Navigation, shopping, and learning become immersive experiences. Screens may become optional rather than essential. 7. Voice and gesture-based interaction. Typing and tapping may soon become outdated habits. Voice commands are becoming more accurate and reliable. Gesture recognition allows control without touching devices. Technology becomes responsive to natural human behavior. This reduces the need for physical interaction with screens. Daily tasks become faster and more intuitive. Communication feels more human and less mechanical. Interaction becomes effortless and hands-free. Future systems will understand context and intent better. Conversations with technology become more natural. Commands become shorter and more intuitive. Gesture control reduces dependency on physical devices. This shift improves accessibility and efficiency. Technology adapts to humans instead of the opposite. The smartphone keyboard becomes less essential. A new era of interaction begins to emerge. 6. The role of artificial intelligence assistants. Artificial intelligence assistants are becoming smarter every year. They manage schedules, answer questions, and automate tasks. Instead of opening apps, users speak to intelligent systems. Artificial intelligence becomes the gateway to digital services. Personal assistants learn preferences and habits continuously. This reduces the need to manually search and navigate. Technology becomes proactive rather than reactive. The assistant becomes the main interface for computing. Future assistants will anticipate needs before requests. They will coordinate devices and services automatically. Information becomes available instantly without searching. Artificial intelligence replaces app-based navigation. This reduces screen dependency significantly. The assistant becomes the central digital companion. Smartphones begin to lose their primary role. Artificial intelligence drives the next computing shift. 5. Cloud computing replacing local devices. Modern smartphones rely heavily on cloud services already. Future devices may rely entirely on cloud processing. This reduces the need for powerful local hardware. Lightweight wearables can access powerful remote systems. Processing happens in data centers instead of handheld devices. This allows smaller, more energy-efficient devices. The need for powerful smartphones decreases gradually. Cloud computing becomes the backbone of personal technology. Future connectivity will become faster and more reliable. Devices will stream computing power from anywhere instantly. Storage limitations will disappear completely. Technology becomes lighter and more flexible. Users gain access to powerful tools anywhere. Cloud computing accelerates the shift away from phones. The concept of device ownership may evolve. Digital access becomes more universal. 4. The end of app-based ecosystems. Apps dominate smartphone experiences today, but app overload creates complexity and confusion. Future systems will rely on unified intelligent platforms. Users request outcomes instead of navigating apps. Artificial intelligence handles the process automatically. This simplifies the digital experience significantly. Technology becomes outcome-focused instead of tool-focused. The App Store model may slowly decline. Services will integrate into single intelligent ecosystems. Users interact with one interface instead of many apps. This reduces friction and improves efficiency. Digital tasks become faster and more intuitive. The shift simplifies daily technology use. Smartphones lose their biggest advantage gradually. Unified systems become the new standard. The digital experience becomes streamlined. 3. Battery and energy limitations. Driving change. Battery life remains a major smartphone limitation. Daily charging creates inconvenience and dependency. Future devices will focus on energy efficiency. Wearables consume less power than smartphones. Cloud computing reduces local energy consumption. Energy harvesting technologies are advancing rapidly. Devices may charge through movement or light. Power limitations push innovation forward. Future devices may run for days or weeks. Energy-efficient technology becomes a major priority. Users gain freedom from constant charging routines. Portable computing becomes more sustainable. Battery breakthroughs accelerate the transition. Smartphones struggle to keep pace with new solutions. Energy innovation supports wearable adoption. Long-lasting devices become the new expectation. 2. Social and lifestyle changes. Younger generations already prefer lighter digital interactions. Screen fatigue is becoming a global concern. People seek balance between digital and real life. Wearable technology feels less intrusive and more natural. Social interactions improve without constant phone use. Technology becomes less visible in public spaces. Lifestyle changes drive adoption of new devices. Cultural shifts accelerate technological change. Digital wellness becomes a major priority worldwide. Reducing screen time improves mental well-being. Technology adapts to healthier habits. Wearables support more natural daily routines. Society begins moving beyond smartphones gradually. Cultural acceptance drives innovation forward. The shift becomes both technological and social. A new lifestyle emerges alongside new devices. 1. The future beyond smartphones. The smartphone will not disappear overnight, but its role will gradually shrink over time. Wearables, artificial intelligence, and cloud computing will take the lead. The next decade will bring a major computing transformation. Technology becomes more invisible and integrated. Humans interact with the world instead of screens. The era after smartphones is already beginning. The future of personal technology is arriving fast. The next big device may not look like a device at all. Understanding this shift helps you prepare for the future. Technology is moving toward simplicity and seamless experiences. Share this video with someone who loves future tech. Subscribe now and stay ahead of the next digital revolution.